Yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, you can probably already tell by the title and the thumbnail, is going to be showing you how to get a free Amazon gift card code in 2023. These Amazon gift cards are pretty easy to get, and like I said, you're going to be able to get a code that when you redeem it in the Amazon gift card page, it's going to credit your Amazon account. I think it's $100. We'll check that. We will check that, guys. I think it's $100, if not more, maybe $150, but we'll see. And there's multiple different coupon codes as well you can choose, but we're going to be concentrating on getting you a free Amazon gift card. So let me record my screen. I'll be putting the recording here so you can all follow along and get your free Amazon gift cards. So you need to open up the internet on your mobile. I'm using an iPhone and I've got the Safari browser here, but you can use Android, Chrome, whatever. And open up the internet and go to www.speedycoupons.com. So you've got to make sure you go directly to the website, guys, to make sure you find it. That's speedycoupons.com. Now this web page is pretty cool actually. I found this a few months ago and I've been working my way through and using all of these codes to my benefit. And you need to look for the Amazon gift cards page because there's tons of different stuff on here. We need to just go to search here. If you don't see the Amazon page in the trending coupons or whatever, just go to search and type in Amazon and you can see Amazon gift cards and coupons. Tap to open that page up. These coupons are limited, as you can see. They're a limited number, so you've got to make sure you get on this quick. And there's a few different codes you can choose. There's a $100 promo code. There's a 50% off technology coupon code there. And this is the one, $150 Amazon gift card. So it is at $150. I wasn't sure if it was $100 or $150. So it is $150, so that's cool. And there's also a free 12 months Amazon Prime code. So choose which one you want, and the process is the same no matter what code you chose. So let's go for the 150 gift card code. So tap show coupon. You can see 150 Amazon gift card code, and it's given us a part of the code, but we need to unlock the rest of it. So tap unlock code. And just wait whilst it does this. Like I said, I've done this multiple times. You can do it multiple times, you just need to go back and do the same steps again to get a second code. Okay, so this page is going to come up, and this is completely normal, don't panic. You've probably even seen a page like this before, but if you haven't, let's run through these steps. Basically, we just need to complete 2 of these free things on this page, so they're ranging from completing surveys to just downloading applications. They're all completely free. And yeah, you can see, for example, this Family Island is a game. We just need to download the game and complete level 8 if you choose that one. Or you can, for example, choose this one, which is answer the questions and fill in your valid details and confirm. So just choose 2 of these tasks and complete them. So for example, I'm going to click on this top one. I find the ones at the top tend to be the easiest. So I'm going to go ahead and just complete this. Now you've got to make sure you put in your correct info as well, guys, if you choose to do these type of ones, because it verifies you're a real person. But you don't have to choose these, you can do the games or applications. I don't mind doing these, so let me click on this one as well. Answer the question. Now I'm going to go ahead and complete both of these off camera, because obviously I have to input my details and stuff, so give me a couple of minutes, I'll finish these off and I'll be back, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it gives us our Amazon gift card code. So yeah, let me finish these and I'll return in a second. Right, okay, so I went ahead and completed both of those 3 tasks, and it took me a couple of minutes, but it's well worth it considering we are getting a 150 code from this. So just make sure you fully complete 2 of these tasks. Make sure you choose ones you don't mind completing, and once you've done those, I'm going to go down to my tabs button, and I can now see this tab open up, And there you go. It's released my $150 free Amazon gift card code, where you can copy it and paste it into your Amazon app in the redeem gift card page, and it's just going to credit you $150 or whatever that is in your local currency to spend across the entire Amazon website with no restrictions. So that method is by far the easiest and the best method that I've discovered. So you need to go to speedycoupons.com and get your very own free Amazon gift card code. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway for a $500 gift card code for Amazon. So just leave a comment below why you deserve to win this code, and also press the like button and subscribe, and I'll be checking and I'll choose a winner in a week's time. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and enjoy your free Amazon gift card codes. Peace.